So I've been gone for a while, but I'm back with another sewing tutorial. Tuxedo style jumpsuits are taking the fashion world by storm, so I decided to show you how I made mine. This was my New Year's Eve outfit, but it would look so beautiful in velvet for Valentine's Day or a date night. Two meters of sequin fabric and 2 meters of spandex fabric was sent to me by Stoffencircus. That's a fabric seller here in the Netherlands. I used the spandex as lining. As usual, you will be needing the sewing supplies that are shown here and of course a sewing machine. I tried to draw out the pattern pieces I used for this jumpsuit. I mixed and matched patterns and traced out outfits I already had to create this garment. I started with cutting out the pattern pieces. Here you can see the front and back pieces for the shorts, including their lining. And here's the back panel, short front panel and the sleeves with their lining. And the last piece is the long front panel. I cut 2 straps from sequin fabric because I thought it would look nice, but it was not practical. I switched it for spandex strips later on. Now let's get to sewing. Sew the back panels of your shorts together at the mid seam. Then we attach the back panel and the shorts back panel together. Do the same for the lining. Put these pieces apart, we will use them shortly. Sew your front short panels together at the mid seam too and attach the front top to the shorts front panels. Put these pieces aside too. Grab your long front panel and sew it together to the lining and strap like so. I stitched this part on the inside of the seam to make the seam more sturdy. Now take your back panel and its lining and sew them together at the neckline only, not the shoulders. Right sides facing. Now take the front panels and the lining for the short top panel and sew it together down this line. Now take the lining for the front of your shorts, pin it if it makes it easier for you, and sew down this line. Once sewn, fold it and connect the top and shorts lining together in this manner. It should look nice and clean like this. So now we can start putting the jumpsuit together. Before sewing the sleeves, sew the front and back together at the shoulders, right sides of the fabric facing each other. To close the sides, you can sew the jumpsuit with the right sides facing and then use a serger to clean up the inside. Or you can sew the sequin fabric alone first, then sew the lining. If you do the last option, it will look like this. Don't forget to put in your strap where the top and the short meets before you close up the jumpsuit. So this is how the jumpsuit is looking thus far. Now we will attach the long front panel to the jumpsuit. Just like the other side, you need to sew the front and back panel together at the shoulders before you insert the sleeves. Before you close up the sides, you will sew the shirts together at the crotch and hem the bottoms. When that is done, close the jumpsuit up by placing the fabric's right sides together and sewing it all the way down. I hope this tutorial was useful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the jumpsuit in the comments.